Welcome back to our AWS Web Log Analysis series. In this video, we will create Elasticsearch. So, Elasticsearch is a AWS managed service, and what will happen if you will create your own Elasticsearch cluster. On that time, you have to make sure that all your worker node will be highly available and master will be also highly available, otherwise your worker will not make any jobs. So by using AWS managed Elasticsearch, we are able to achieve all these things. Also, it is highly secure and also scalable. So what is happening? So suppose if lots of logs are coming, and this input will be like, suppose it will also, you can use this Elasticsearch for processing your VPC flow logs. So in logs file, suppose if you enable your VPC flow log, then it will append in your some CloudWatch log groups. By using that log groups, you can push it into Elasticsearch, and based on that you can process and you can visualize this data. Also, in our case, what we will do, we will add all WAF data into by using AWS Kinesis Firehose, and Kinesis Firehose will add data into Elasticsearch, and based on that data we will create some output. So let's create Elasticsearch. So here you need to search for Elasticsearch service. After this, here you need to create a new domain, and it will be like our dev and testing, and try to choose latest one. And in what is will be your dev, it will be like, suppose web my ES cluster, and for like I am taking R5 dot large, it is by default, or either you can choose other like T2 medium, Elasticsearch. But in case like suppose if you are at this point, like suppose if I choose here T2 dot T series, T2 dot medium, so what will happen? And also in this, I don't this data node storage will be 10 GB, and 10 GB number of nodes 1. So in this case, I have only one nodes of 10 GB of EVS volume size. I don't want any dedicated master nodes, that's why I didn't enable this one. Next. And for this, like suppose if you want to use under your VPC, then you have to click on this one, otherwise you need to use public one. And also, if you are using this one, on that case you need to either install any Windows machine into your server, or what you need to do, you can create any VPN service, VPN server, and based on that you can able to access Kibana dashboard. And suppose if I want to use public access, so in this I can't enable this one because T2 medium can't suppose encryption and rest. That's why here we need to come again, and we need to use default R5.x large, default one. And in next, here enable this one, and create a master user. For this, suppose I'm taking it as admin and putting some password. Okay, it needs some. Okay, I don't want any Amazon Cognito authentication. Policy will be allow open access to the domain, and not this one. Next, after this, here you need to you can review all this, like we are taking instance type as R5X large Elasticsearch, and nodes is currently 1, and volume is 10 gigabytes, and snapshot is not, and network configuration is public access. So by using some DNS, we can able to access our Kibana dashboard publicly after this confirm. And for creating this, it will take little bit of time. So generally it will take approx 10 minutes, so we need to wait for some time. After that, here we are able to see our Elasticsearch cluster. Yeah, so now this point you can see my domain status is active, and this is my endpoint, and this is my Kibana endpoint. So if I click on this Kibana endpoint, it will redirect to Kibana page, and it is loading some. After that, it will ask us for a username and password that we already gave. So based on that, we need to log in. Let's see, it's cluster health. Here cluster health error. Currently you are giving no permission for cluster monitor health for username this one. So what we need to do, we need to copy this one, and here admin and our password. Just log in into this Kibana dashboard, and after that you have to make one changes on role binding. So after that you will not get this error. Under under this security, click on this role mapping, and all click on all access. Here edit, add one user and make it star, so this account ID can users can able to access these roles, and submit. So if you come here and if you refresh this page, then here you will not get that error again. Here, so this is for this lecture, and next lecture we will create Kinesis Firehose. Thank you.